Isn't it ironic that long before, around 10 years ago in the 1990s, wait a minute, 1990s, 10 years ago? 1990s is almost 30 years ago. Wow, I'm old. Isn't it ironic that long before, around 30 years ago in the 1990s, it's kind of a big deal when we see our photos in our computers, and today it's kind of a big deal when we see photos printed in photo albums. It's just me. Weird, right? Anyway, hello world, this is Coco Martech, and today we are going to review this device called Printoss, making use of instant film to bring back fun into development pictures. So yeah, welcome to another episode of
TT with Coco Martech.
Here's a list of my experiences in using the Printoss. Number 1, it looks cool and it only weighs at 350 grams or 0.77 pounds. Number 2, it takes a lot of practice to use it. Number 3, it does not require any battery to operate or electricity, so that's amazing. Number 4, you have to place your phone on the printer to scan, so it really feels like a toy. Number 5, you have to remember the brightness level of your phone, and if you have multiple phones, you have to practice the printer with every phone because every phone has different brightness levels. And lastly, number 6, the photo quality is actually good for the price. Printoss is actually designed by a Japanese toy maker named Takara Tomy in 2017, and he designed Printoss to be a specialized photo printer made for smartphones. For me, there's something fun in Polaroid like instant cameras, and there's something satisfying about waiting for a picture to develop on instant film. The film that I use is the Fujifilm Instax Mini. This is relatively expensive, but the good thing is that the Printoss is cheaper than the brand new smartphone Polaroid printers like the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link printer, which is already around 9,000 pesos or around $186 US, while Printoss is just around 2,500 pesos or 51.76 US. Of course, the more expensive mini printer will perform better than the cheaper Printoss, but really, Printoss is actually worth the price, and if you're on a budget, I'd suggest you to buy this because it's affordable and it's fun. It's challenging and time-consuming at first, sure, but it's still fun. So how do you use Printoss to print? These are the steps. Number 1, open the back of the Printoss. Number 2, put the film inside. It has a satisfying click. Number 3, twist the knob to remove the instant film cover. Number 4, unfold the wings and take out the white plastic frame. Number 5, remove the transparent sticky sheet from the frame. Number 6, put your phone's brightness to around 80%. Number 7, put the white frame on your phone and place it on the printer with the screen facing down. Number 8, click the shutter button. Mine is actually a second-hand unit, so I have to keep on pressing my shutter button until I hear a satisfying click, but I don't think yours will have this problem since assuming you have a new one. Number 9, twist the knob and stop until the film is out. And 10, lastly, wait for the film to develop. I find it amazing that this toy printer requires no battery and no electricity to operate. It's purely mechanical, and that is fun to do. The Printoss does not also need a particular app, and it can be folded into a compact size, making it easy to carry. As long as you have the Printoss itself, you can print photos from smartphones easily and instantly. And since you're going to print a photo from your smartphone, you can enjoy the moments and still be able to print Polaroid photos when you get home or when you have a free time. You can also come up with variety of ways to use the Printoss, such as putting the photos on a corkboard or in a photo frame, putting them in albums, diaries, notebooks, using them in place of business cards, attaching them to gifts, trying multiple exposure by putting a photo, then pressing the shutter button, then place another photo, and then click the shutter button again. It also looks cool, like I've said before, and it also looks like a futuristic old device, and it can be used as an icebreaker in parties. It also comes with 3 colors, the black, the blue, and the pink. If you're worried about the size of your phone, I tried an iPhone 11 and a Google Pixel 2 XL. Basically, if you have a larger screen, there would be cropping issues, but it's minimal. Here are the comparison between the actual photos and the printed photos. For me, colors are not 100% accurate, of course, but I still like it. You should also be careful when pressing the shutter button because your phone might move and the print might be blurry. You also have a small mirror below to confirm if you're framing the photo right or to see if your phone is off or something. In my multiple times of practicing, the biggest factor is the phone's brightness. You might waste a number of films at start, but once you get the hang of it, everything will be smooth and fun already. Well, that's it for my review of the Printoss. You can buy this online. It's not in Lazada right now. I think it's in Shopee right now, so you can also buy this in Facebook Marketplace or Carousel. I'll try to put a link in the description box so you can order it right now. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.